Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the squeaky this voice. Let's get into the makeup. The finished look. I don't know what I was thinking, what happened, where it all went. This just happened. We're gonna leave it at that. If you'd like to see more videos from me, go down below and subscribe. Make sure you ring the little bell. I can't do this. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can follow me over on my Instagram at Lilith1. But that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.